Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore the top 5 tourist places in Vermont, the Green Mountain State. First up on our list is Burlington, a charming city known for its vibrant art scene and stunning views of Lake Champlain. Next, we have Stowe, a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts with its world-class skiing and beautiful hiking trails. Moving on, we can't miss the picturesque town of Woodstock, famous for its well-preserved 19th-century architecture and covered bridges. If you're a history buff, you'll love exploring the state capital, Montpelier, with its rich historical sites and museums. And finally, make sure to visit the stunning Shelburne Farms, a 1,400-acre working farm and National Historic Landmark. Whether you're interested in art, nature, history, or simply enjoying the scenic beauty, Vermont has something for everyone. Don't forget to try some of the state's famous maple syrup and indulge in the local cuisine, which emphasizes farm-to-table freshness. With its charming small towns and breathtaking landscapes, Vermont is truly a must-visit destination for any traveler. So, pack your bags and get ready to experience the beauty of the Green Mountain State firsthand. Don't miss out on the top 5 tourist places in Vermont: Burlington, Stowe, Woodstock, Montpelier, and Shelburne Farms. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content.